Try and find this bird here. Little bird watching. Orange stomach. About the third time now. Oh, shoot. Yeah, there we go. Oh, gosh. I can see it hopping around a little. I haven't seen this type of bird ever. Oh, there we go. Look, wants the huckleberries, it looks like. Keeps going back and forth. Now it's getting in the water. See it? I think it's pretty. Want some huckleberries and some water. I've never seen a bird like that before. There we go. Oh yeah. Bird watching. Bird watching. Hello, hello. There we go. Get in there. Man, my demeanor changes when I do a little bit of bird watching. See what we can get on the stomach here. It's gonna fly up. Yep, there we go. All right.